Hi, I'm Mike Meliti, the Division Manager for Wine Guardian. Today we're going to talk about our humidification systems, specifically designed for wine cellar use. We're excited about this product because we're the only manufacturer that offers this option to add humidity to wine cellar cooling. The humidifier comes in three versions: an integrated model, which bolts to the side of our Wine Guardian systems, a standalone version, which mounts within the wine cellar, and then a true standalone version, which receives its power from a standard 120 volt power source. The standalone version can either be mounted on a wall within the wine cellar, if you have the space, or on the racking, within the racking system, or actually through the wall within the wine cellar. Some of the features of the standalone version, as you see it here: an attractive faceplate, which you would see inside the wine cellar, actually takes air in through the top of the humidifier, then blows the moist air out the bottom. A rugged ABS constructed housing, sealed housing, both faceplate and back portion. Water connections at the top and the bottom, and easy access port for humidifier pad removal. Powered cord connection for attaching to the Wine Guardian system, either the ducted unit or the through-the-wall system, by strictly just plugging this into the back of the or the side of the Wine Guardian units to receive its power and control. The main control for the humidifiers is through our remote interface controllers or the controller on the through-the-wall units. So we'll always give you a temperature and humidity readout. When you have the humidifier connected to the system, it will provide control for the humidity and add humidity into the environment when needed. The unit features a wetted pad design where, when there's a call for humidity, water flows over a humidifier pad in the system and then excessive moisture drains out the back of the humidifier to an open floor drain or a condensate pump or the drain of the Wine Guardian system. Ideal humidity conditions within a wine cellar are anywhere from 55% to 70% RH, and the Wine Guardian humidifier helps to ensure that those humidity conditions are met. Ideally, the way that the system operates is water supply is connected through the back of the unit, and drain is connected at the bottom of the unit. All internals, as far as the pad are concerned, are easily accessible through the back portion of the system, through two thumb screw type arrangements. I want to point out that the true standalone version does not need a Wine Guardian unit for operation. It can truly stand alone and be used with any air conditioning system that's currently feeding the wine cellar. It can also be used not only for wine cellar applications, but other applications as well. Guitar storage, fur storage. The standalone version ships with two types of brackets. One is a surface mount bracket that would mount to the wall within the wine cellar and be affixed to the humidifier. So it's actually a standoff of the wall, and you'd have access to the humidifier within the wine cellar itself. Access to the internal components of the humidifier are easy by removing two screws at the base of the faceplate. Simply pulling up and off the front cover piece. As you can see, as part of the design of the humidifier, we have a recirculation air fan, which takes air from either the wine cellar where it's mounted or from the unit itself, from the Wine Guardian unit itself, pulls in air through the top portion and then blows it out the fan and then down back into the room or back into the airstream into the Wine Guardian unit itself through the ductwork and back into the wine cellar. Solenoid valve. It turns on and off based on a call for humidity within the wine cellar. When the humidity is satisfied, basically no water runs through the system. The water shuts off, the fan shuts off, and it's just stationary. When there's a call for humidity, the solenoid valve opens up, turns water on, delivers water over the wetted pad channel that's on top of this section, out the drain port into the drain system of the Wine Guardian, or to an open floor drain or condensate pump. The humidifier is really designed to be used with cold water or warm water, probably to a maximum of 100 degrees Fahrenheit. As you increase the temperature of the water, you also increase the capacity of the humidifier, its ability to add moisture into the airstream. Like I said, 100 degrees Fahrenheit is max. This particular humidifier, the pad is rated for 3,000 cubic feet. It's a standard air conditioning pad with an algicide coating, so it is mold resistant, easily cleanable, and replaceable. The pad should be looked at every 6 months to ensure that it is clean, free of debris, and has not developed mineral deposits from hard water. Other features of the unit include, as I mentioned before, the access to the filter pad on the back. And as you can see, it's very easy removal of the back panel with access to the humidifier pad. We use a genuine metal mesh filter. It's a standard size, which can be purchased through any refrigeration supply house or through Wine Guardian. Sealed unit, so water is not going to leak out all over through cracks and crevices. Removal of the pad is easy. It's a spring-loaded device which gets pushed up. Then you can pull out the pad for easy removal, cleaning, or replacement. Water connections with a 1/4-inch water supply line at the top, and a 1/2-inch drain line at the bottom. We recommend a flexible type connection at both of these for ease of installation.